Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made this amigurumi cherries. So let's get started. So I am using Aimiya crochet hook number 5, red and green yarn, some fibers, scissors, and stitch marker. So we will start by making magic ring, and then we will put 6 single crochet inside that ring. So our first chain that we made is not counted as our first single crochet. So we will make 6 single crochet inside that ring. So after this last single crochet, we will count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will pull the tail to close the ring. And then we will slip stitch at the very first single crochet that we made. And then we will chain 1, and then we will put our stitch marker so that we will not lose in counting. And then we will put 2 single crochet in each of the stitch that we made in that round, in the previous round. So at the end of this row, we will have 12 single crochet. So we will keep increasing our stitch. So after the 2 single crochet in each stitch, we will make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch, alternate, like 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So just keep repeating that pattern till the end of this row. So after this row, we will have 18 stitches. So at the 4th row, we'll keep increasing our stitch. So we will insert our hook at the very first stitch, 1 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet again in the next stitch. And then we will increase. We will put 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So just keep repeating that pattern till the end of this row. So I will say it again. So 1 single crochet in the first 2 stitches, and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So at the end of this row, we will have 24 stitches. So we're done for our 4th row. So this is what it looks like now. So we will stop increasing our stitch. So at the 5th row, we will just continue by making 1 single crochet in each stitch. So at the end of this row, we still have 24 stitches. So we will just continue making single crochet till we reach at the 7th row. So I will show you how it looks like when it's already at 7, when we reach at the 7th row. So this is what it looks like, and then at the 8th row, we will start to decrease our stitches. So I will show you how I made that invisible decrease. At the 8th row, we will make 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then we will start to decrease our stitch. We will insert our hook at the back loop only, and then again in the at the 4th stitch, we will insert our hook at the back loop only, and then yarn over and then pull through, and then just repeat that pattern till the end of the 8th row. So again, after that 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, we will decrease our stitch, and we will insert our hook at the back loop only, and then pull the yarn, and then again insert at the next stitch, back loop only, pull the yarn, and then yarn over and then pull through. So just keep repeating that pattern till the end of our 8 rows. So after we're done for the 8 rows, we will add the stuffing. So now we will continue closing our project. So we will continue making that decrease. So we will insert our hook at the back loop only in each of the stitch. And then again, like what we did in the previous rows. Insert your hook at the back loop only, pull the yarn, and then at the next stitch, again, insert your hook at the back loop only, pull the yarn, yarn over, and then pull through. So keep doing that decrease in each of the stitch till you finish this project. So now we're done. So we will just cut the yarn, and then yeah. So now I am making this chain for the stem of our cherries. So this is just a chain long enough to hold our cherries. And for our leaves, I have that previous video tutorial. I will put that in the comment section, so you can check it for a reference on how I made the leaf of our cherries. So in this project, I used a smaller size of hook and then smaller size of yarn so that I will get this cute result. So you can always change the size by using the bigger size of hook and the yarn, and also increasing the stitch of your project. So now I am adding the leaves to the stem, and our cherries is ready to serve. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.